Today I'm going to make a Namkeen Roast, which is a traditional Persian dish. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 pounds of lamb meat, 2 large onions cut into 6 pieces each, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 green chilies cut into half lengthwise, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Put salt to your taste. I'm adding half teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half teaspoon crushed black pepper. Turn the heat to high or medium and add the lamb to the pot. Cook the lamb for 5 minutes. Add the ginger and garlic paste. Add onions. Add the garam masala, black pepper and salt. Add green chilies. Put the lid on. Let the onions release its juices and steam build up. Turn the stove to low heat and cook the meat for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Occasionally stir the meat so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Namkeen roast is ready when the meat is tender and the water is dried up. Garnish the meat the way you like it. I hope you try my Namkeen roast recipe and give me a feedback.